Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my dainty necklace collection. So every time I wear a necklace like this, I get so many questions asked. So I thought why not just show all my necklaces. So I have not shown my AliExpress necklaces in this video. I have a separate video on that. So if you haven't watched it, so around 2-3 years ago, I had ordered a lot of dainty necklaces from AliExpress. That was my first time getting dainty necklaces. So I was too excited. I went all out, but they were not good quality. They looked really pretty though. Most of them got tarnished within one use itself. That's why I started using them conjusely. So I saved them for only special occasions, because every time I wore them they would just get oxidized. So I still have 3 or 4 of them which I've never used. But after that I got a lot of good quality necklaces. A lot of them are real as well. So I never really felt like going back to those AliExpress ones. So I still have them. I'll use it someday maybe. But in this video I'm gonna share my good quality collection. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the necklaces from Jiva. So they recently sent me few of their pieces which I really loved. They are made of 925 sterling silver, and they also have gold plating, as I read in the description. So I used to get a lot of Instagram ads of Jiva and also Anushka Sharma ad on YouTube. I really felt like trying those necklaces, but then they reached out and I luckily got to try them. And so far I really loved them. I'll show you what all I got. So first of all, the packaging was super cute, okay? Everything comes in this small white box, and they also give you small plastic bags for you to store the jewelry, and they also give this cloth with which you can clean the jewelry. So I really loved that. They also give warranty card, and they also give you the authenticity certificate. So there are a lot of things which came in the order. So this is the first one. This is a necklace with this pearl pendant right here, and it's really pretty. The chain is not very thin. You know, some chains are like super thin that you can't even see them. I love those chains, but this chain, just, you know, if you're buying, just keep in mind that they are dainty, but they are not super dainty, if you know what I mean. But they are really good quality. I have worn them a couple of times, all the necklaces, and they haven't tarnished, and they still look good as new. I mean, of course they are silver, but in humidity even silver kind of gets oxidized, right? But they have good quality plating and everything, and they also have warranty, so that's amazing. Also, something to keep in mind that the pendant completely comes off the chain, so you don't really have to buy necklace each time. You can just buy pendant and then put it in your chain. That's something even I didn't know. I thought they will be attached to this necklace, like for Mia and Swarovski, like they have the pendant attached to the necklace, but this one is separate. The next one is this Tree of Life necklace. This is really pretty. I've always wanted something with a round shape, like fully solid one, and this one comes very close to that. It has a really delicate tree design which looks very beautiful. This is my favorite necklace among all the Jiva necklaces I got. I also have an affiliate discount code with Jiva, so you can use this code to get 15% off on your purchase from Jiva. So if you're planning to shop anything, you can use it to save some money. They also have silver Rakhis. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, but if it's before Raksha Bandhan, you can get your siblings a silver Rakhi this year. I've also made shorts on it, but if I'm uploading it after Raksha Bandhan, you can buy it for next year. Next is this heart pendant necklace. I had a similar one from AliExpress, but that heart was smaller than this, but they of course got oxidized, as I just explained. So I really wanted something similar which will last me for a longer time, so that's why I chose this one. And this again looks really pretty. I just wish the chain was even more dainty. I mean, some people don't really like very delicate chains, so those people are going to enjoy this necklace, but I personally love chains which can't be seen. You know, only my pendant should be seen, so I personally would have preferred that. But either ways, it still looks super pretty, and I love that they're gonna last me for a long time. Even though this video is about necklaces, but since we are talking about Jiva, I really wanted to show you these pair of earrings which I again got from Jiva. They are so cute and tiny, and they look so pretty. I love tiny things like this, especially something with pearl. I also have similar earrings, but they are much bigger than this. So that's why I really wanted a tiny version of that. I've seen a lot of models, actresses wear it. This is such a classic design. So yeah, I really love these. So now we are done with Jiva. Let's start with my necklaces from Mia. Now Mia has amazing dainty jewelry collection. I love everything they have. Every time I enter their store, I feel like buying everything. So if you guys don't know Mia, it's basically by Tanishq, and they have this really delicate jewelry which mostly modern women prefer. So the first necklace from Mia I have is this one, which I'm wearing right here. This I wear all the time, like I never remove it because I get bored to change my necklaces. So on a daily basis, this is what I wear. I wear it even while having shower. I basically never remove it unless I just want to change my look. This is gold, and I wanted gold ones because I didn't really want to bother with soap touching it and things like that. I mean, of course you should still take care of your jewelry and not touch soap and perfume and all, but I really don't have the patience to do all that, so I never want to remove my necklace. So that's why I decided to buy this. I mean, my parents have bought it for me. I made them buy for me for Diwali, last year's Diwali or last year's, I don't remember. Okay, so I really love this one. The next necklace from Mia I have is this one. It has diamonds, so it's little more expensive than the other Mia one I have. Every time I wear this necklace, everyone asks from where I got it. Apparently everyone loved it. I had worn it even for my birthday because I feel really special when I wear this. The next one is this pendant set from Mia. So it also comes with earrings and one pendant. This was gifted to me by my mom's friends. So my mom's friends couldn't really attend my reception, so my parents gave them a party and I wasn't even there. It was my wedding party without me. So all of them together gifted me this set. It doesn't come with a chain, it's just pendant and a pair of earrings. I bought the chain separately from Mia. It's rose gold. I love the earrings more than this necklace. The earrings look super pretty. So that was all from Mia, and since we are talking about gold jewelry, I also wanted to show you one more necklace I have. I didn't even think about it because I rarely wear this. It's Mangal Sutra, okay, but since it also falls under dainty jewelry, so I thought why not show this also, because a lot of you guys love my Mangal Sutra. I've also put highlights because I get hundreds of questions on Mangal Sutra every time I wear it, which I wear rarely, but still. So this is the only Mangal Sutra I have. My mom forcefully bought it for me because she's like, you should have at least one Mangal Sutra because you're getting married. So this is the only one I have. First of all, I never wanted a Mangal Sutra, but since we were buying it anyway, I thought why not buy a cute one instead of buying those regular standard ones which I don't like. So this is the one I got. This is actually customized. So I had seen this design on Pinterest, I guess. So I showed that design in the store and they customized it for me. So it's gold and the middle thing is made of diamond. It actually was rose gold, okay, like I had told them to make it rose gold, but now the rose gold color has gone. I just realized it while filming the video and now it's completely gold. But I'm not even mad because I think I get best of both worlds. I got to wear rose gold also and now I can wear gold. And this also looks good. These days a lot of brands make a similar design, so you don't really have to customize it unless you want to. So those were the gold necklaces. Now let's talk about the jewelry from Swarovski. So even Swarovski has amazing collection. They are not gold, but I forgot the name of the metal they use. I think they use steel, I'm not sure. With these kind of jewelry you have to be careful, you shouldn't really use perfume, lotion and soap and things like that. So I don't reach out to these often. I wear these only if I have to go out so that I can wear it and then remove it after I come home. But on a regular basis I don't really reach out to these because you have to take care of them. So the first one from Swarovski I have is this. I forgot the name of it. I think it has some fairy word in it. The store manager said this is one of their classic pieces, so I really felt like buying it. These I had bought more than a year ago and I have worn them a lot of times after that, and I feel the metal shine has kind of reduced. I kind of find them little darker than they used to be. So yeah, that's the only thing. You have to be really careful when you use these. But anyway, they still look pretty. They have this Chotu Swarovski ka logo behind, so that when you wear it from behind you can see. Actually you can't really see, but they have this on all their jewelry, I believe. So since we are talking about Swarovski, I just remembered something. So when I visited Austria, they have this Swarovski ka factory there, so we visited there. But at that time I was in college that time, and that time we didn't buy anything. A lot of people from our group shopped a lot from Swarovski because that was like the main factory there, right? But we didn't buy anything. I don't know why. That time we couldn't even afford, I guess. More than afford, I don't think we were into these things, you know. If I were to go now, maybe I could have bought something, you know. But that time, I don't know. I don't know. We were weird that time. I was not even into jewelry. So the next necklace from Swarovski is this really beautiful necklace. It has 2 stones. It looks classic, man. Like if you're wearing a black dress, a deep neck dress, this is gonna look very classy. So yeah, I really love this one as well. I love all of them. So those were all the jewelry. I want to show you one more piece which I got recently. So this is not the real jewelry, it's from H&M. It's a triple layered necklace. This is my first H&M necklace. Before this I have bought earrings from them just once, and they got oxidized within 2 uses. So I was again kind of skeptical because I didn't want the same thing to happen again. But I think their necklaces are better quality than the earrings, and I think all of their jewelry have different qualities, and some of them tends to be expensive. So that's because of the metal used in them. So just read the description, like what it's made of. I bought it in the store, and buy it only if it's good metal. I think they have steel also, so steel is good. It doesn't get oxidized that easily. So you can get the steel ones. And I love H&M jewelry collection. They all are my type, okay? I just wish we got such designs in real jewelry. I would have loved to buy those. And this is triple layered. So I used to see this layered necklaces on people and they look super cool on them, right? So I also wanted to try them out because I don't really have different length of necklaces which I can layer. So this one seemed like a great option, but this is so difficult to wear. Even one of the necklaces from AliExpress was layered and it used to get tangled, and I could never wear it properly. Like, I don't understand. Even today I was struggling for this video. Can you relate to me? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Those were all my dainty necklaces other than the AliExpress ones. I hope you enjoyed it. If I can find the links of these, I will leave them in the description box below. Except for Jiva, all of the necklaces I have bought in stores. I'm not sure if I'll get links for everything, but whatever links I can find, I will definitely leave them in the description box below, so please check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and today's comment shout out goes to Vishwa. Thank you so much for your comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And the proof, babe, what is that called? Like proof of gold something? That's a certificate. Never mind, don't say it. Dun 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 dun.